Hey guys, what's up? I'm David. You're looking at my crazy sub 250 build. Well, if you wanna know why it's crazy, I got the build guide right there if you wanna check it out. But it's got 1507 motors, naked Vista right there. It's got titanium screws, and it comes in under that sub 250 gram level with an 850 milliamp hour battery. So yeah, this is an awesome little drone. It's very fast. But what I wanted to show you guys here today, this is going to be a very short video. This is going to be my first drone that has ExpressLRS on it, and I'm going to test it out this weekend if the weather is okay-ish. I can't be too picky because weekends have been awful lately. So while I was installing the EP2 RX, and I got one right here, it's small. It's incredible how small this thing is with a ceramic antenna on top of it. I had a problem, and let's just take this top plate off first. I was thinking, how can I mount this thing? I was running out of flat spaces of carbon to mount it. I didn't want to mount it on one of the arms. I wanted it to be inside of the frame to be a little bit protected. And as you can see, space is limited on this thing, and I want to keep it as light as possible. I'm not a big fan of 3D printing holders for your receivers or anything like that. It's okay if you do, but I usually try to keep drones as light as possible. Even my 5 inches, I don't use a lot of CPU or anything like that on them. I just try and look for an elegant and easy solution, and this is what I came up with. So most of you will probably already see what's going on here. This is actually just the plastic strap you can see underneath here is actually just a piece of zip tie. I've measured the distance between two posts. I've cut it to length. I've burnt a couple of holes in them with my soldering iron. Then you put your receiver into the heat shrink. You put the piece of zip tie through the heat shrink and you shrink it down. And that's what you will end up with. So let's just take another closer look at this. I still got the nut. How can I show you this? I still got the nut right there holding down the Vista. Then there's the zip tie with a hole in it, and then there's just another nylon nut to keep it in place and keep it as lightweight as possible. So guys, that's my way of mounting a very tiny receiver to my drone. If you got a DIY method of your own, well, please let me know in the comment section below. I'm always interested in finding out how other people solve problems like this. Maybe your method is even better, and when I get a chance, I'm gonna cut down these wires. I'm gonna shorten up these wires to lose a little bit more weight, but hey, I'm gonna test it out this weekend first and see how that goes. So yeah, that was it. Very short video. Take care guys. See you in the next one. Bye.